Hi guys. Hey guys, it's been a day since I don't stream. I don't remember why. Oh yeah, I do remember, but I don't. I don't feel like sharing it. So I will be doing like two streams. Yeah, one now. I mean, one stream now, and the other two tomorrow, since it's a holiday, so I can use that time for you know studying. I mean, streaming and studying, of course. Let's put some music. I cannot hear it, but I know that you can. I wanna hear it as well. So. Hey. Hey, it's in the speakers now. So why can't I hear it? Hello. I'm using an old driver because the other one, I mean, at my office, at the office at work, I mean, I cannot, see. I mean, I have a setting in my Linux desktop that for reducing the amount of blue light, and with this configuration, I was able to reduce the blue light on the second screen too. But with this driver, with the newer driver, for some reason I cannot do that. But with some old drivers I could. I don't know if that with fuck, I changed the fuck. Well, anyways, I don't know if that has something to do with me not being able to listen to the music now. I connect my microphone and it's taking that as a headphone. Oh no. Yeah, no, it doesn't. It didn't have anything. It didn't have anything to do with. With my garage. It was just a bad content. Nice. Oh, that music is pretty, but for some reason all music tend to block my entire video. So I will just put I don't know. I like this one, to be honest.
Yeah. Looks like
Right.
we made it.
what are we gonna do now? So I was watching this. Well, I didn't watch it, but I find their questions like I mean I don't I mean there are some questions here that I don't know how to answer. No, I cannot answer these questions, man. Oh yeah, I can do that. It's free. I use I use this command. I don't know what commands he's gonna use there, but I use this 3H. That's how I do it. Of course, he may use like another different level. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice. Ain't nothing better. For example, I cannot answer that. Reminisce, can you remount the temp directory as read only? No, I cannot do that, man. I'm so stupid. So yeah, we are gonna watch this video later on. Maybe not now, but someday in the future. I promise. But for now, we will continue with our programming journey. How was named this network? Shit. At work, I was deploying some stuff, and I was trying to solve. I mean, while I was waiting, I was trying to solve this LibCode problem. Oh fuck! I don't have. Do I really hate this, bro? I'm having to split my. Please tell me that I can sing with my password. Oh shit. Oh my eyes. Please tell me that. No, fuck you. Sorry for my bad language, guys. Think about it. Alright, I was trying to do this problem. I already solved it, but in C++, many months ago, man. I don't remember how I did it. If I did it at all, maybe I just watched a YouTube tutorial. I think that you will. Yeah. Let me get the password. I don't remember it. Password. Yeah, guys, my password was password. Yep, let's go. Okay, alright, it was with this email right here. Oops. And the password was this one. Beautiful love. Everybody changing around here. Fuck. Well, anyways, you can see it here. Yeah. I already solved it. It's not here, but trust me, I got it. But I am not gonna solve lead components on stream. On stream, I just I will, but not now, since I have many things to study yet. I just wanted to practice my C, and trust me, guys, my C is really bad. I mean, it got. It was never good, but at least I was able to understand something. Right now, I am not able to understand anything. I did a basic hash table in my repo. I was able to do this basic hash table 6 months ago. Anyways, let's do this, okay? Oh, that music is really sad. Right, let's do this. I don't know if we should be doing like lead components so I can get better on my C, bro. Because right now, as I said yesterday, as I said some minutes ago, it wasn't, it wasn't, it never was good. It was never good. But at least I could understand something. Now I can. I mean, I don't remember like basic stuff. So yeah, it would be better if I do lead components in C and then I come back to this. But I don't like having to switch like a lot, man. I am switching like to this, to this, to this, to this, to this, all the time. I guess I have no other choice. Let's grind some leak code. Bro, this question is so, I mean, I remember it being so easy, and now I cannot solve it. This is what I did at work. Do I have another session? Oh yeah, fuck my work. I was deploying stuff that I didn't, uh, I mean, I don't know. I had a I felt bad because uh, I started working like at, I don't know, man, like 4 p.m. and all you have to do was deploying stuff, and the other guys that were deploying their changes. I mean, they was deploying, they were asking me to deploy again, and they wasn't working. And I was executing commands while I was doing this liquid stuff. Right, now I killed it. Yeah, I was doing this. Yeah, this is all I got. Yeah. Uh, this should work, even though this is not this. This should work, bro. Let's see if it actually works. I don't remember what this. Oh, I don't think this will work, man. Yeah, as I told you. What if I do this? Nope. I don't remember how to do that. What if I do exactly what they are telling me to do? Yeah. I remember knowing like exactly how everything worked, No, I don't remember anything, man. That really sucks. Mm-hmm. Bro, this is not answering my question. Uh, do I have like any notes in my tablet? That'll be nuts. No, man. No, this is just. This is just. Sorry, guys. I was. I was watching some of my notes, but no. There is no notes on this book. I thought it was, but I never write them down. Fuck. Mm. Oh yeah, this. I almost already forgot it. Alright. Sorry, my eyes are being disturbed by my glass of my glasses. Um, so what makes the most sense is like this. But but why this work? Right, this is a pointer, and then you parse it to char. What is happening here, man? Here it says what is happening. But does have more presence. Oh, okay. Oh, I guess that I thought that they had like the same presence, but I guess I was wrong. So if in these parentheses were included, wait, what? How the fuck did I change that to 9? Well, there are a lot of big motions that I don't know how do they work, man. All right. So what's happening here? So these 100 have more present than the star. So this will be, I don't know. What will this be then? What in the video said, right? Like a pointer to bro. I have something in my head. I don't know what is. This will be like I don't know. Like there is a hundred charts, something like it. This will do that doesn't error. Yeah. This is like 100 charts from what I am seeing, right? What I understand here, this is so frustrating, man. What I understand here is, okay, you have a pointer, but the pointer is of size 100. I don't think that that was my intention, bro. Yeah. But what if... Sorry guys, but I don't know the answer and it's getting late. bro, but here you said that. Mm-hmm. You're right. Mm. Mm. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow, man? Tomorrow I will start stream once I woke up. Then I will hit the gym and then going to church maybe. Yeah, I will be going to church tomorrow because there is an event there, and tomorrow is holiday. I don't know if I want to go, honestly. I mean, the word is so-called sisters. They asked me about on my day. I asked them if it was bad, and they replied back. I don't know if I am taking that too much personal, but I don't know. I mean, I would love to have someone to talk with. Yeah. So I don't know. Yeah, but probably they are busy, right? So that's why they are not responding. And they should be busy too. But I having someone to talk with is really nice because I was waiting for their message. I should be more stoic, not letting that affect me. But it does affect me. Many things affect me, man. Many things, many things affect me. They are more affectable than many people know. So, anyways, 8. Yeah, 8 because it's a pointer. If I do this, it should return 8 as well. Oh, yeah, of course. 1. The problem is, how do I traverse that string, man? There was an example here. Not here, but in my old book. Sorry guys, I haven't quite wrote down because I should already know this, but I don't. Exactly, man. You are not traversing it. Sorry. What is indexing? Hmm. But what is this doing there? One have more presence. Which one have more presence? I think that is the yeah. These rabbits. Mhm. Mhm. Mm. All right. I know I feel sleepy, man. Once I came back from work, I went immediately to. Not immediately, but I ate first and then I went to sleep. Um, I didn't sleep that well. My feet were freezing. So I woke up. But I should be having more energy. But I feel sleepy. Ah, man. Ah. Alright. Alright, let's continue with this shit. So basically, I don't have a way of determining. So, alright, I cannot traverse this as a normal array. This is wrong too. So, yeah, treated it as such, as like the arc, the argument variable of this main, like this. So this will be something like uh, I want want the first element in 0 0, bro. No, this will get me the value. I don't want the value. I want a pointer. Yeah, man. I mean, makes sense why this works. So we're going to the first element. Let's see, alright. And then and then you're getting its value, its pointer, its address. Sorry. Yeah, this is okay, man. And then you do this. And then you sum it up, right? This is a pointer to an int, to a char. This should work just fine, man. Yeah. This should be actually this should work, man. I mean, if I do this should work just fine. Okay, not this, of course. I mean, this this not this should work. Yep. This should work just fine. What? Well, yeah, actually, yeah. Because you are going there, but wait a minute. Are you going? All right. Wait a minute. STRRARR. Alright, so this is an address. This is an address. This is an address, and you're getting the address of the address. Yeah. str I mean, you know what? Yeah, man. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Actually, this is an address. Yep, because this, right? This is this. Mm. Bro, bruh, this is this, bruh, bruh, bruh. This is literally an address. Okay, it's not actually an address because you are pointing it, but you know what I mean, bro. Bruh. Bruh. Alright, so you are so you're going to this spacing memory, and in that spacing memory you have like addresses as well, man. Where you are doing like double work there, right? Wait a minute. Basically, man. Wait a minute. Yeah, I mean, but yeah, this is a two-dimensional array. So when you are like doing, when you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so let's imagine you are here, right? This is the 0, 1. So first you will be going to this, right? And this will be, AB's, let's say X 0. And here you will be pointing out to the first element, A. So yeah, but you don't want A, you want the address of A, and that will be this. Yeah, man, it's okay what you're doing, that should work. And what if you just say, fuck it, X, but X it's have an address too. So you can just say this, man, this is illegal. That's illegal. What if you just don't say this because you are referring to that slot? You don't want to refer to that slot. You want the address of that slot, and that's this. It's okay, man. What you're doing is okay. This should work. This should work just fine. And this is the address of the address, basically. just doing here is basically that. Alright, so yeah, man, you are referring an object. You are referring, bro. I mean, then this should be like this, man. Wait, no, you want the address. This is a nice way of getting the address, right? Am I right? No, you have to reference it so you can get. Wait, because you will get a pointer anyways. Yeah. So you will getting null if you know. No, sorry, you will be getting a value anyways. So do no, wait. Yeah, this is more. This is better. Yeah, of course. I mean, even though you have an address and if you go see you sum by one, if you sum up by that address by one, you will be getting an address anyways. You're gonna be a null address, bro. So yeah. So here you will be doing this, and this will work. Fuck. Is no legal? Yeah, no, this legal. Void. Bro. Bruh. But man, this doesn't have sense. This won't work. Yeah, segmentation fault. Hey, but why is segmentating? Why is that segmentation fault, man? I am already like important. Why, bro? I need help. But why? What? This makes sense. Bro, I'm still getting a core dumped, bro. I don't know why. I'm getting a segmentation fault. Does this sense with a no? Oh, oh yeah, you're right. Fuck, I didn't know that. Hmm. Bro, I feel bad for using ChatGPT, but at the same time I feel good because I got a response quickly. Bro, I think I don't feel like I have done like many much of a progress. Alright, let's finish this, bro. Uh, so here ChatGPT told me that this is the same as doing this. And you know what? It may be right. Because this is a pointer to the first element anyway. Yeah, man. That's that's literally the same as doing this. Because that's an address. And it's literally the same as doing this, man. This is an address. Oh fuck. That's, yeah, basically the same. So here I should be getting a null value, man. Now this is safe. Oops. Fuck. I mean, this is not a type, bro. This is not a type, bro. What are you doing with your life, man? Come on. I make it better when I do it the hard way. Yep. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah. Yeah, this makes sense. But I wanted to you know do this. This will work too, right? Why? Oh. I I should be getting a keyboard, man. Anyways. Fuck. This should work just fine. Oops. Why? Wait a minute. Yeah. Well, this should work. Bro, really? Fuck. You may be right. Right, this should work. Fuck. Yeah, that should work. And this should be working. Wait, man. I mean, I don't need another one, or do I need it? Yeah, bro, you need it. You really need it. Uh, how do I know when this ends? I think that when you hit, like when you hit this, yeah, this should work. Fuck. Bro, I don't know what I'm doing. Ah. Alright, what's happening here? So you're getting you're getting a char value, which is fine. The problem is that you are not even, you know, oh fuck! This is equal to, this should be this, but I still don't get why it's getting me a cordon, pero yeah, why, bro? Mutation fault. Why, bro? I mean, come on. 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. I don't know why is this failing, man. Alright, so let's debug this shit. So everything. I mean, I think that I only alert pointer. Yeah. This is so wrong. Now I see it. I mean, it's the the memory location of one string. But the thing is that when you do it this way, I mean, it's not. I mean, they are not safe in continuous memory. I think that the only thing that it's safe in continuous memory is what? Nothing. Like these three right here, right? I think that they are the only ones getting safe in continuous memory. I mean, that's what I read in ChatGPT, in a ChatGPT response. I remember doing. I remember. I remember reading that. But then why, when you print with this with S, having a memory location, then why does that work? Why did that work? Sorry. Yeah, so maybe it is indeed being safe in continuous memory. Besides, in the book, I think that it never said that when you declare stuff like this, I think that it didn't say that it wasn't stored in continuous memory. I mean, I literally saw. I mean, the guy literally displayed a table where see, we're safe in continuous memory, man. Come on, I believe that, bro. So what do we do? Right. So let's start by let's assume that this is continuous memory. Okay, it should be continuous memory. So let's start by doing this shit. First things first, why I'm doing this? I mean, why I'm passing the the address, man. I don't care about the address anymore. Do I? No. Wait a minute. What I do care now is the string itself. And this is the string itself. Yep. This is the string itself. I still need to reference that. But yeah, if it's continuous memory, I should be able to just J++, and this should work just fine. Let's see. Fuck. Oh yeah, it's working. Sort of. Sort of. Alright. Test 1, 2, 3, Ruber. and something crazy. And a null, no, sorry, a null doesn't get displayed. Yeah, I told you. It may not be. Yeah. 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 Is this will be. Man, I am doing end of line instead. Does this will work? Fuck. Fuck. Bro. Why isn't this working, man? Mm-hmm. Bro, I literally don't know why, bro. I just changed one item and I mean, I should be printing at least something, bro. But nothing, literally nothing. Come on, man. Really? I mean, literally nothing, man. Come on. Why? Why am I not being served like nothing? Come on. Bro, what's happening? I don't know. Fuck, I'm getting tired as hell. Oh, oh, I don't fucking know why this is a cementation fault. I have no idea. What if I pass the character, bro, instead of a pointer? Yeah, you pass a character. Here you draw nothing. Yeah, but why? Oh, does T never change? Bro, okay. So you have this variable. No, bro. It have to be. It must be this should be this should be an address of T. Okay, got it. You have T, right? Right. So you have D, but you have J. Sorry. You have, yeah, whatever. J here, bro. You are literally accessing, accessing, accessing that character. Zero. Then you should be getting the value. If not this, then increase it. If not this, then increase it. God damn it. Yeah, I know that this will work, but I want to know if the compiler will know it. Yeah. We do avoid a zero constant. Yeah. Reference. Why? Why, bro? Come on. I wanted to do it for so many reasons. That will work. But it didn't. Yeah, that's nice. Bro, it is like, bro, this will be. Bro, I don't know what's happening, man. I don't know what the fuck is happening, man. I don't know what the hell is happening. period. This is another. Okay. Oh, this can be being printed, but this, bro, why? I mean, why, bro, why? I'm doing a break. Come on, let's return it. This should work, bro. Ah, gotcha memory. Just kidding, bro. Come on, why? Why? Oh, oh yeah, makes sense, sort of. I mean, you're just going to the infinity, but then why? What the hell is this? I mean, maybe this is I don't know. Maybe it's the copy. Yeah, right. Maybe. No, bro. Or maybe it is. I don't know. Maybe do sweep us in this as reference, which doesn't make sense at all. But let's try. Let's try. First things first. You will be doing this. Fuck. Yeah. This won't have any impact at all. Bro, I don't have any more ideas, man. I'm sorry, I will GPT it. Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Bro, what? Bro, let's watch one video, man. Then we will be getting that why my thing didn't work. This is my personal account, right? Yeah. Oh, fuck. That music is very beautiful, by the way. It's not safe. Oh my god, bro, I love the Parmesan. He's crazy as fuck. Let's see what's in my. Hey, there's the same music. Teaching being to a popular girl. What? Keep moving forward no matter what. Fuck, I want to. I don't know why some people want to learn. I mean, maybe for understand their future, their culture, but stars. Oh, my salary is like just one decimal point after the zero. Coding for hacking assembly. Is this an actual girl or some X-Men? Qutting music player. I'm trying to create that, bro. Go use a C-Max.
What really happens behind the scenes when you press that power button to boot up Linux? Today I'll
well, it's 4 minutes, man. I think I can watch it.
give you an inside look. The process starts when you press that power button to turn on your computer. Inside look.
I remember watching a video from that guy. I don't remember what video exactly.
The process starts when you press that power button to turn on your computer. First, a program called a BIOS or UEFI boots up. These are basically pieces of software that gets all the main parts of your computer ready for action. We're talking of a program called a BIOS or UEFI boots up. These are basically pieces of software that gets all the main parts of your computer ready for action. We're talking about the keyboard, screen, hard drives, and so on. UEFI is the newer kid on the block, offering faster boot times and better security features like secure boot compared to the traditional BIOS. One key difference between BIOS and UEFI is in their approach to disk storage. BIOS is tied to the master boot record system, which limits disk size to 2 terabyte. UEFI, on the other hand, uses the GUID partition table, removing these size constraints and offering a more flexible and modern solution. Next, the BIOS or UEFI runs a check called the power on solution. It's tied to the newer keyboard, screen, hard drives, and so on. UEFI is the newer kid on the block, offering faster boot times and better security features like secure boot compared to the traditional BIOS.
Bro, I use BIOS.
One key difference between BIOS and UEFI is in their approach to disk storage. BIOS is tied to the master boot record system, which limits disk size to 2 terabyte. UEFI, on the other hand, uses the GUID partition table, removing these size constraints and offering a more flexible and modern solution. Next, the BIOS or UEFI runs a check called the Power On Self-Test, or POST. This test makes sure all the different hardware bits and pieces are working right before fully turning everything on. If POST finds a problem, it will often show an error message on the screen. Finally, if everything checks out with POST, the BIOS or UEFI needs to find and load up the bootloader software. The bootloader is usually set to check the hard drive first, then USB drives, or the BIOS thing on. If POST finds a problem, it will often show an error message on the screen. Finally, if everything checks out with POST, the BIOS or UEFI needs to find and load up the bootloader software. The bootloader is usually set to check the hard drive first, then USB drives or CDs if it doesn't find anything on the hard drive. You can customize this order in the BIOS settings if you want. On a BIOS system, the bootloader code lives in the first little chunk of the hard drive called the master boot record. For UEFI, there's a separate partition that stores files like the .EFI bootloader file. The key jobs for bootloaders are: locate the operating system kernel on the disk, load the kernel into the computer's memory, start running the kernel code. Some common bootloaders you might see are Lilo and grub2. Lilo, or the Linux loader, is pretty outdated and rarely used in modern distribution. grub2 is the most full-featured and widely used today. It can handle booting multiple operating systems, looks nice with graphical or text-based menus, and has a bunch of advanced options for power users. So once grub2 loads itself up, it inserts the Linux kernel into memory and hands control over to the kernel to finish the startup process. After the bootloader starts the kernel takes over the computer's resources and start initiating all the background processes and services. First, it decompresses itself onto memory, checks the hardware, and loads device drivers and other kernel modules. Next, an initial process called init kicks off, which in modern Linux systems is typically systemd. Systemd has replaced older init systems like sys5 init and upstart, and is the parent of all other processes on Linux. Systemd has a ton of responsibilities to get the system booted and ready to use. It's checking for any remaining hardware that needs drivers loaded. It mounts up all your different file systems and disks so they're accessible. It starts launching all the background services you need, like networking, sound, and power management. It handles user logins once you get to the graphical prompt, and it loads up your desktop environment with the panels and menus. Systemd uses target configuration files to decide which mode it should be booting into. Something basic like multi-user text-only target or the graphical target most of us use daily. Those targets kind of corresponds to the old run levels from past Linux days, if you heard of those before. Mostly now, you just need to know systemd handles initializing everything that needs to launch behind the scenes when starting up Linux. And there you have it. We've unpacked the sequence of events that transform your computer hardware into a functioning Linux system when you press the power button.
Wow, I didn't understand shit, but I like it. Systemd explain, Jesus Christ. Bro, I have many stuff to learn, man. Bro, I don't know anything. Bro, I mean it. I really mean it, man. let's understand why the other stuff. Let's. I already have some notion of why it didn't work with this, but let's understand why, man. Let me get my ideas together and then I will explain it. have to know why, for some reason, like. Yeah, it's a char. Why, man? Why? Okay. Fuck. Okay, I got what I want. Bro, but I don't understand why you don't want to. Bro, why in. I mean, I am not. Bro, it's literally the same thing. Come on. I am not changing. You are indeed changing it. And you are changing it, bro. Nope. What I'm changing is the pointer. Doesn't have anything to do with the STRR shit. Bro, you're dumping my code for no reason. But anyways. So this is the. But why, you may ask? Let's see. Okay, bro. Is still. I mean, you. Wait. This is just an address, bro. That address have a null. But what is null in the first place? glasses are driving me crazy. Is a void pointer pointing to 0? Yeah, right? That's what I said. No, do you didn't say that the pointer can be, yeah, the pointer, yeah, I remember that. Address. Uh-huh. No, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. A pointer to 0, basically. Alright. So it is not like the address itself is 0, right? It's an address that points to something. I mean, that 0 still have, that 0 is still, I mean, there is an address that points to that, to garbage, you know, space in memory. Yeah, but that pointer, yeah, but that pointer still have an address. Well, no, it's not garbage. That pointer still have an address, so doesn't make sense. Being this should be this. So that's why this not now works. Sorry. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, nice. I was literally raging, asking why this. I mean, this that this. I mean, I didn't touch this, so why it did not work? I was saying. That's what I was saying. But now it works as it should have. But I was trying to understand why it didn't work with this. It didn't work with this and work with that. Now it makes sense. Yep. Hey, this is a good exercise, bro. Right. So let's see what ChatGPT you have to say about this. Yeah. Oh, Telius Macari depressed. 10 million views. Well, it's gonna be like 3 a.m. Tomorrow I have to hit a gym and then I will go to church as I said. Alright. It's been kind of hard to be honest, since I don't know, man. Since I haven't touched like sing a long while. But yeah, let's continue tomorrow. Oh well, in some hours later, some hours later, I will come back. Oh yeah, see ya then.